2025 GMC Canyon. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!